Welcome. It's day 29. We are almost done with this 30-day challenge. Our one-word intention today is feel. And this is our second to last daily challenge. So today, what I want you to do in order to embody feeling, I want you to just do a self-care ritual. Ideally, this is going to be a self-care practice that incorporates the 5 senses. Personally, my favorite practice to do is like a self-care bath. A bath is great because it takes care of, smells, sights, sounds, taste, and touch. You can have something to drink or something to nibble on, whatever. You might do a facial, a manicure, pedicure. It might just be a long walk out in nature. It might be taking yourself out solo, having a little solo date all to yourself. It can be quiet time. It can be, reading in peace and quiet in your house, undisturbed. Whatever self-care means to you, maybe even just going to bed extra early. I want you to do something that is purely for your own benefit. Really fill up your own cup. Focus on feeling. Focus on really tuning in to where you're at right now, especially considering, we're at day 29 of this challenge. We're starting to really try to integrate the work that we've done. So give yourself props, show yourself some love, do something kind for yourself today, practice some self-care, and try as best as possible to incorporate the 5 senses. I would love for you to share what it is that you're going to be doing today, what self-care looks like to you, and how you best connect to this intention of feeling. You can share it in the comments or, of course, over on our Facebook group for students. Enjoy. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll connect with you for our final day tomorrow for day 30.